So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I again represent you another very popular unboxing. So actually today I unbox a camera stand. So as you can see that this is the packaging from Flipkart. Actually buy it from Flipkart. So actually I ordered this Orthodox tripod, portable adjustable aluminum lightweight. So as you can see that I already give the this product link in my video description, so you can also purchase from my link. So and the price is, as you can see that this is a 490 and some kinds of 50 or 60% is the delivery charges. So I suggest you to buy this type of product because this is a very cheaper price, and the build quality of the product is very much awesome because as you can see this is the written here, this is made by aluminium. So okay, so this is the product in with this package. So let's unpack this. So actually holding my phone in one hand is very difficult, that's why I ordered this type of camera stand. So you can also easily use this as well as camera stand and as well as mobile stand also. So okay, so no more talk, let's unpack. So you can see so as you can see it comes with bubble wrap. So let's unpack this. So okay, so this is comes with bubble wrap, and actually it's protect this product from if it's fall from an very inside or upper side. So what I have to do is you have to cut it from here. So there is another cello tip protection here, so you have to cut it from here. Oh, again this packet again bubbled up. So there are so many bubble wrap on this. So from this you can assume that this is the very high quality product because this product packaging is very much good. So okay. Oh, so this is this, and here again cello tape. So friends, there are so many cello tape layer on there. So you have to cut it from here. So and after that just what you have to do. So okay, so this is my mobile camera stand. Oh, what a package. So as you can see that it's also come with again a polyester or plastic. So just remove this. So okay. So friends, so today I show you that how you can construct this tripod or mobile holder tripod. So actually whenever you unbox this you get this type of things. Okay, so first this I want to show that these legs are expandable. That means if you pull down, okay, so as you can see that this leg is increasing here. So if you slightly give the pressure here, the leg is increasing in size. Okay, so and if you give pressure like this, then as you can see, this the size is decreasing. So to increase the length, you just pull from here, and to decrease, just give a pressure like this, and the okay. So another thing is this here, this is expandable, that means okay. So as you can see that this is increase or decrease. So okay, so first you have to construct these two things, this or this. So here it comes with this screw. Okay, this screw, there are so many screws are there, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so find the minimum smallest screw, just give it here, and after that this is the mercury detector. That means this mercury detector help you to the perfect angle of your camera, okay, to successfully angle of your camera of the tripod. So first just this, and after that okay. So okay, and as you can see that, so after inserting this, just insert this. Actually this is pretty much expendable. As you can see, the phone is holding here. So I give you an example. The phone, suppose this is a phone, this is my another phone, this phone is holding here, okay, and after that this type of okay, and as you can see down is this camera. So just take off the phone, and here okay, and after that just sorry okay, after that it's on the size, okay, just circle it like this, and after that here is you get this type of screw. So first this is, there are another small screw you get, this is the highest length screw, just insert this into this, okay, like this, and just okay, and just fit the tripod here. So after inserting into this, okay, so after inserting this, the longest screw should be here, okay, and another small. So there are so many difficult to set up this tripod, so I suggest you to watch the video till end, because each and every part I show you in this video. So as you can see, this is another screw and this is another screw. Make sure that this tripod, this holder holds two screw here, and okay. So after that what you have to do is, so as you can see that this is the rotating here, okay, so this is the rotating here. So this portion is rotating to rotate your tripod camera. So what you have to do, just insert, this is the lengthiest screw, just insert here, okay, as you can see, and after that so this is a this is the half portion, this half portion fit here, okay. So like this, okay, and as you can see that, and here is another portion, here this screw actually fit here. So to adjust the length here, so sorry, actually friends, there is a problem in my room in lighting, so this fit here. So actually there is, okay, so this screw fit here. Make sure that your this is adjustable, this to give this thing is a flexible height, you adjust the screw here. It's okay, but I did not use it here because this height is enough for me. So if you have a long position there, then you can fix the length like this. Okay, so now just, and another part is, this is to hold it here whenever you did not use, or to give an extra length of this tripod like it, but I don't use here. So this is, this one screw here and this another height holder is no more use for short height. So first just insert it from here, and as you can see, okay, sorry, so as you can see that, so okay, so now let's hold the camera here. So okay, so friends, now this phone shoot all these footages with this holder. Okay, so here are my two hands. Okay, so actually the flashlight is accidentally on. So as you can see that this is this is my hand and the tripod hold this phone. So friends, this is the step that how you can set up this tripod here. So okay, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friend. And this is, I bought it from Flipkart, and this is a 10 days replacement policy, and if you did not satisfy with the product, you can easily return this. It has 10 days replacement, and it did not have any warranty. So if you buy a higher product, that means 800 or 900 product, then you get a warranty here. So I suggest you to, if you did not satisfy the quality on Flipkart, I suggest you to Amazon, but I give both Amazon and Flipkart link in the video description of these tripods, if you feel free to buy from the link here. So okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. And okay friends, goodbye.